CarStory research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned. Features also include traction control, rear view camera, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.